Hello everyone, welcome to my Hot Wheels Redline collection. This is the end of my 1968s. These are 1968 custom T-Birds. They were based off of an actual T-Bird car, just a little modified though, with a bulge in the hood, painted tail lights. The Hong Kong version didn't have a full dashboard though, but it's still a good looking car. Let's see here, opening hood, exposed engine, black painted fur vinyl top. Wheels are okay, lost the chrome, but the springs are still good in there. They're not real stiff, so they still move really good. Got the 4 squares, and as we've talked before, that is a Hong Kong version along with the blue glass. This one has what looks like maybe a black interior, but these cars, in my opinion, are a dime a dozen. So I really wasn't too concerned. I just wanted to have a couple for my collection. And here you can see the gold one. Kind of has, looks like a brown interior. Painted tail lights. Got the 4 squares underneath. Show it's a Hong Kong car. And had a kid mark their car back in the day, which is, I think, is really cool. Detailing motor, bulge in the hood. It's gold. Gold color's kind of pretty, I guess. I mean, it's probably not my favorite color, but it's really good. Wheels are good. Check this side. Yep, they're good as well. I think they're very cool cars. Like I say, it's just not my favorite, but it's a cool car. And that's it of my 1968s. I hope you guys enjoyed them. I might do one more video on these and just kind of do kind of a group showing of all the 68s. And then I'll move on to the 69s. Thanks for watching. Bye.